Doris Ombat, KTN.
Now, the Kenya Magistrates and Judges Association has accused some senior lawyers of sustained attacks against the judiciary and its leadership. The association, through its president, says the continued attacks pose a threat to the dispensation of justice and the rule of law. This report has been prepared by Gloria Milimu and voiced by Dennis Aseto.
Just a few days after Chief Justice Martha Koome slammed unnamed individuals for allegedly pushing for resignation, Friday, the Kenya Magistrates and Judges Association came out guns blazing, calling out a group of members of the Law Society of Kenya for the ongoing scathing online attacks against the judiciary and its leadership. Speaking in Nairobi, the association, through its president, Justice Stephen Radiro, said the ongoing onslaught aims to undermine the integrity and authority of the judiciary.
These reprehensible attacks come from a group of legal practitioners who have served in the leadership of the Law Society of Kenya. The association has keenly analyzed these online attacks. Their systematic nature, execution, and sustained onslaught demonstrates an unorthodox and unconstitutional attempt to cajole the judiciary, its leadership, judges, and magistrates towards a self-serving agenda.
The recent incidents in which judges and judicial officers have been personally attacked on social media, albeit very callously and unfairly, with ill-conceived insults, degrade their important role in our democracy and are a recipe for crippling our institutions and ultimately degenerating into a state of lawlessness.
We have noted the online onslaught, which is so systemic, from specific members who have held leadership positions, as the judge has said, like the 49th president of the LSK and a former commissioner of the JSC, Mr. Ahmed Nasir.
The Magistrates Association says it remains undeterred, saying the attacks are only meant to serve personal interest rather than help address the existing gaps in the judiciary.
We recognize our tireless efforts in advancing judicial independence, transparency, and the rule of law. We assure her leadership and the entire judiciary leadership team of our unwavering support, remaining true to our oath of office, guided by the dictates of Article 159 of the Constitution of Kenya.
Consequently, the association proposes full implementation of Article 173 of the Constitution and has also called the immediate implementation of the Judiciary Fund. Also, it has called for an engagement between the Law Society of Kenya and the judiciary leadership in a bid to help address challenges bedeviling the judiciary. The association urges all stakeholders to continue engaging the judiciary with genuine concerns through formal avenues in place, abandon the well-established complaints mechanisms, and opt to deploy eccentric tactics such as cyberbullying and other forms of online attacks for ulterior motives. The association says it will meet the Law Society of Kenya to discuss the conduct of some of its members accused of marshalling cyberbullying of judicial officers online. For KTN, I'm Dennis Aseto.